Okay, this I'm taking away, this I'm taking away. We could put tomatoes and those other things. Well, avocados. I got a stroke. No. What? When did you have a stroke? Right now.
Is the light blinking on the front?
Are you having a stroke too?
No, I give strokes. I don't have strokes. You know, unlike some. So get clear on our picture.
Is that your little recording?
Is it blinking in the front? Mm-hmm. Then it's doing 1080p.
Nice.
Yeah, you're gonna be big. Yeah, you're gonna be big old 1080p girl.
Nose.
Whatever, you know, if the nose fits.
Dance and you can add it to your piano.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Got to get some more of my sister there, doing her usual thing. Yeah, we know. I've lost all interest in eating. Don't get in the way. You got in the way. You walked in front of the camera when they're doing the toast. Well, it figures. Us cameramen. Quiet on the set.
Very rude cameraman. You have to have a whistle that you can blow.
No shit. Let me see if I can get this Langert down. On this occasion, he will break his long-standing rule of never drinking anything. Yeah, it's enough orange juice.
There's gin. Goes good with orange juice. Yeah, it'll do. There's no vodka in it. Oh, well, you don't want your lime in the orange juice. Lime, sorry. Where's the other half a lime? You got it right here. Where?
Bunch of limeys. So, Butch, it looks like your thing's a hit. It's funny how a bartender's
and Betty and all those who are. What the fuck are you doing? With us today.
To those who came before. Did they bring the motor home? He says he can back out. He can back out anywhere, this guy. So, are you guys musicians?
But I didn't. I wasn't about to try to bring the Lincoln up here.
You don't have flies?
You sort of look like musicians, sort of shifty, and you're drinking too. See, now my friend who crashed his motorcycle is not walking too well. How you doing? Talk right in here to the camera. That's right. I'd growl at him if I were you. You know a bad guy. Oh, look at she lives too.
Yeah, we all. This is the limp party.
The video of your crash.
Oh, well, good.
What you hugging there? Oh, you need to plug that in, huh?
No.
Hey, what? How you doing? Good, Jay. How's yourself, man?
No.
Good to see you.
No. Hi, I'm making this for you.
My name's Ped. I mean Pat.
Before, did I? Beautiful. Oh, nice to meet you now. Eric. Good.
Is that your purse?
Jay, how bad did that break you up, that crash?
You're gonna be a movie star.
Ribs and a tore knee and shoulder and.
Look who gets the heavy one, Cinda Bailey.
Got a bad knee and I broke some ribs and kind of tore myself up. Oh, my. Well, nice to meet you. Yeah, I brought support here. I got actually toxic. You know, they will give you an infection.
If you lean back on that plant, you will remember it for months.
Yeah. Take my word for it. And you have to be especially careful. You're probably not too tall to have to worry about it, but walking under this over here.
Yeah.
The earliest pictures on the website show that tree about that tall, and then that tall, and then now
Is a yucca is a cactus considered a tree?
that is not a cactus, sir. It's a Joshua.
Hi, Mom. Wait, how many cards do you have? 4. Why did you have 4? It's big. I get to have all of them by hand. No, you don't. I'm not going to help you. Wait, no.
Did you guys make this game up?
Maybe. No.
Because it doesn't look too organized to me.
No.
Maybe it's a Canadian game.
What? No. It's not a Canadian game. What? Because it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, well.
Oh, wait, can you go?
It's a little chaotic.
No. Master.
Well, you think there's going to be enough food, Pam? Huh? Do you think there's going to be enough food? Really?
Yeah.
Really? You could get hurt. You could get hurt here, I think. I know. It's sad the way, but I'm used to it. Mickey wants me. I got a triage here.
Oh, okay.
If a woman wants you, you don't have much choice. What are you laughing for? You're going to be a movie star. What about it?
Look at it.
I'm not an expert at this stuff.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. You might want to. You know who you want to ask? Tim, because Tim's more likely to drink bourbon than me. I don't drink bourbon as a rule. I drink gin.
Drink bourbon.
Well, go ask Tim what he thinks of it, or my cousin Jay, who knows everything. You what, are you going to hide it out here?
We're going to go through here along this.
Ask Butch. Butch might know. Well, first we got to calibrate your stick. I mean, first you lay down 10 feet, and we see if anything's anywhere near.
10-footer?
This is 50 feet.
This is 50.
If this thing is anywhere near.
Well, it's probably not even near correct, because those little wheels will skip on the surface.
Let's do it both
and everything like
ways. Let's start at the yucca and do this both ways.
Well, that's fine.
I have this.
Well, that's fine, and I had a 50-foot tape measure. Let's see if technology or tape measures are more to the point.
This isn't about technology.
Let's start at the yucca, Rick, because that's a point that we don't need to mark.
Why? Do you know how far the yucca is from the road?
I'm just about to.
Oh, you're going to measure from the yucca to the road.
So I start the yucca.
And your daughters, if you take a time out, they take a time out? So the family that times out together stays together?
It's like a new kid, new my mom's got one. Christmas, yeah. It wasn't a big deal. Well, I don't know. He could probably keep up with me. Unfortunately, he's probably got it covered.